In the last Jasmy price prediction, I literally said I'm buying here and I'll buy more if we dip. We didn't dip and we're very close to my take profit of 7%, which is basically at 0.10737. Obviously, this video is no financial advice. We're already up around 5% of the trade. I'm very happy. We were at the point of control when I was making this video. But yeah, we'll see what price will do in the next few days. If we dip more here to the accumulation zone, I'll buy more. I'll keep the same target, very likely. So that's basically it. I can make another adjustment video tomorrow. If you're interested, just let me know in the comment section down below. Links to my signals chat in the description down below. Links to my course in the description down below. And you can see some of my profits on BoX right here, 280 grand. If you want to follow the meme coin trades, I'm keeping them. As you can see, I'm doing a lot of them. So yeah, see you in the next video.